फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताऊंगी व्हाट इज सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन, व्हाई सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर स्टूडेंट्स। So, self-discipline is one of the most important life skill a student can develop. It's the foundation of academic success, personal growth and long-term achievement. Self-discipline एक बहुत ही important skill है जो एक स्टूडेंट के लिए उसके अंदर डेवलप होना बहुत ही important है ताकि वो academics में ग्रोथ हासिल कर सके, सक्सेस हासिल कर सके और लॉन्ग टर्म अचीवमेंट्स को अचीव कर सके। So if I talk about the definition, self-discipline is an ability to manage your behavior and emotions in order to reach long-term goals. It's about doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. So you have to wake up and sleep on a time. Set goals and track your progress about that goals. Study regularly, not just before exams. Because consistency leads to success. You have to create an ability to control actions and emotions, staying consistent even when it's hard, and choose what's right over what's easy. Then only you can be following a self-discipline. So why students need self-discipline? It helps in maintaining the focus of students. It helps in building the independence of students. It helps in improving the academic performance. So if they focus on discipline, self-discipline, they are less distracted, they feel more focused and they are better to meet their deadlines. So what are the benefits of a strong discipline? If a student is having a strong discipline, then he will get a better grades in their exams. He will have a higher confidence in himself and he will have a stronger character trait. So a student with self-discipline gain more than academic success because they build inner strength. So, time management and prioritization. Time management is a key part of a self-discipline because when a student learn to plan and prioritize, they reduce stress and increase productivity. This can be useful in using a daily schedule, break big tasks into small ones and avoid procrastination. By following these 3 tips, he or she can manage the time properly. So, motivation versus discipline. Sometimes people confuse between this. I will tell you why motivation comes and goes, discipline stays. So, rely on habit and system helps students succeed even when motivation fades. So, motivation is temporary but discipline is consistent. Build habit, not mood. Just focus on habits. मोटिवेशन जो है वो टेम्परेरी होता है, किसी काम के लिए हम कई बार मोटिवेट नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन वी हैव टू फॉलो द डिसिप्लिन। तो डिसिप्लिन में अगर हमें रहना है तो दैट शुड बी कंसिस्टेंट। सो वी हैव टू फोकस किस चीज़ पे कि हमें हैबिट्स बनानी है, हमें मूड स्विंग्स के ऊपर नहीं जाना है। So in the last, discipline doesn't happen overnight. Begin with one positive habit, stay consistent and don't give up. The future belongs to students who take control of their actions today. So if I tell you in Hindi, discipline जो है आपका वो एक रात में नहीं आता है। उसके लिए आपको एक अच्छी पहल करनी होगी, एक पॉजिटिव हैबिट की शुरुआत करनी होगी और उस हैबिट में आपको लगातार कंसिस्टेंटली चले रहना होगा, क्योंकि जो स्टूडेंट्स का फ्यूचर है वो डिपेंड करेगा उनके आज के एक्शन के ऊपर, और उनका आज का अगर एक्शन डिसिप्लिन ओरिएंटेड होगा तो वे फ्यूचर में ज़रूर सक्सीड होंगे।